Friends, do we really believe that whatever happens is for our best, even in these COVID times? Do we believe that every obstacle we face is actually a call for corrections and takes our life to a higher level? To think this way is the fifth niyama or rule of yoga, Ishwar Pranidhan. Ishwar signifies the universe and Pranidhan means to surrender. So yoga says this universe is benevolent, all-knowing, all-powerful and is always working for our good, even though we may not always see how. So yoga says, put your faith in this universe and then you will be at peace and you can concentrate on whatever you are doing and become successful in life. Many years back, I was really miserable. I would keep questioning the universe's benevolence. And then one day, 15 years back, I told myself, why question and be unhappy? Instead, why not believe and be happy? So I started chanting a Buddhist chant, Namiho Renge Kyo, and my life started changing for the better. When we believe in the universe and we connect with it through any form of chanting, prayers, rituals, we are at peace because we know some higher reality is in control. And then we can concentrate on our work and do well in life. Of course, faith too is not easy. It's not built in a day. One has to keep praying regularly, experiencing benefits of the same in terms of inner transformation and change in one's circumstances. And that is how faith grows, and then it becomes your greatest support. जैसे सूरज की गर्मी से जलते हुए तन को मिल जाए तरवर की छाया, ऐसा ही सुख मेरे मन को मिला है मैं जब से शरण तेरी आया। मेरे राह भटका हुआ मेरा मन था, कोई मिल ना रहा था सहारा। भटका हुआ मेरा मन था, कोई मिल ना रहा था सहारा। लहरों से लड़ती हुई नाव को जैसे मिल ना रहा हो किनारा, मिल ना रहा हो किनारा। उस लड़खड़ाती हुई नाव को जो किसी ने किनारा दिखाया, ऐसा ही सुख मेरे मन को मिला है मैं जब से शरण तेरी आया। मेरे राम। So friends, let's cultivate Ishwar Pranidhan and be happy in life. Namaste.